The new year is finally here. 2023, and man, what was it a crazy year.
Elon Musk is taking over Twitter.
Russia has invaded Ukraine.
To end the pandemic.
This year, more people were searching Google for Andrew Tate than Donald Trump or Kim Kardashian.
The global population surpasses 8 billion people.
The death of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II.
The collapse of FTX has sent shockwaves across the cryptocurrency industry.
2022, the world champions are Argentina.
And every single year, there's this big group of people that set out to change their lives for the better in the new year. This is going to be my year. This year is going to be different. This year, I'm finally losing that weight, finally getting into shape, finally starting that business, or insert goal here, the infamous New Year's resolutions. The gyms have their record weeks, new businesses are being started, all in the name for changing yourself for the better in the new year. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm actually not here to hate on anybody doing New Year's resolutions. Actually the opposite. I'm making this video to actually support those setting out your New Year's resolutions to change your life for the better. Because funny side story, I actually started my whole journey through a New Year's resolution. Way back when I was around 14, 15, I was so unhappy with my body. I wanted to look like one of those fitness models you see online, have that six-pack abs. I actually started before, but didn't really make it and gave up. And this year was going to be different. I set out to actually achieve my goal no matter what. And I did. Which is why I'm actually such a huge fan of New Year's resolutions, because for some people it actually works. And I actually love the whole concept of people actually putting out their goals to the world, how they want to improve their lives. And I feel like it's been getting a lot of hate over the years where people shit on other people putting out their New Year's resolutions. And of course I get it, because the majority of people don't follow through. And of course I get the concept that if you want to achieve something, you shouldn't wait for New Year's, and I'm one of those people. But this is the main reason why I want to make this video, because everybody that's watching this, that you have some New Year's resolutions, there are some things that I would love to share with you that I think would really help you to stick with it and actually change your life for the better. Because this is going to be your year. This is going to be the year that's different. This is going to be your year where you're gonna be one step closer to your dream. So from my personal experience over the last years, I put together 3 things that I would love to share with you that I think would greatly help you actually achieve those goals this year. And the first one is focus on your habits, not your goals. And this might sound a little bit weird, because it's like, I want to reach my goals, not my habits. But let's just break it down for a minute. Because why is it that you're at this position in your life right now and not at this dream location where you want to be? Because in the end of the day, it's that this reality right now is supported by your daily habits. The way you think, the way you act, the things you do or don't do dictate your reality at the moment. So let's say you're at location A and you want to go to location B. Location A is being supported by really specific habits. So in order to get to location B, you have to become a different person that is able to support the location number B. So you have to potentially change your mindset, your beliefs, and you should definitely change your habits. So let's just use a quick example. So let's say location A is you being obese. You only eat pizza, you only eat crappy foods, you don't work out, you don't do anything. You just lay in bed and eat crappy foods. And I think I don't have to explain to anybody that the reason that this person here is obese is not because some magic spell over their lives. No, because they eat the wrong foods and they don't do anything, which is why their body literally translates their habits and their food intake and their lack of physical activity into the fact that they're obese. So let's say this person at location number A, being obese, wants to get a six-pack and wants to become this fitness model, right? So simply said, the way to cross that gap is by simply changing their habits, changing the things they eat, changing the things they do. By simply going to the gym, eating different foods, they will cross that gap and become that person. Because if you simply do the things and do the habits that are required to become person B every single day, you will slowly transform from person A into person B, if that makes sense. So the second one is setting up measurable goals. Just saying I want to lose weight or I want to earn money is not good enough. What does it even mean for you to lose more weight or to earn more money? It's really really fake. So let's say, for example, I want to earn more money. Okay, cool. How much money is more money for you? Let's say 100K. Okay, cool. That makes sense. That means that you need to earn an average of 8.3K a month. Okay, nice. So now you actually set some parameters for yourself, what it means to be successful or to actually fail at your goals. Okay, so I need to earn 8.3K a month. That means that you have to sell X amount of products, X amount of times per month to reach that goal. So now you actually know, okay, so let's say 5% of all the people that I reach out to, only 5% actually books a appointment with me. So then X amount of people, then 5% of that actually books an appointment. Let's say my conversion rate is like 5%. That means 5% of those people will actually convert into paying customers. So then you can actually break down the math of what you actually have to do to get to that first 100K, right? So now it went from I want to just earn more money, or even I just want to earn 100K a year, to okay, I have to do X amount of outreaches every single day for the next 365 days in the year. And if I maintain those outreach goals, that means that I will make my 8.3K at the end of each month. Now you can actually keep yourself accountable for what you do reach and what you don't reach. If you don't reach those X amount of outreaches every single month or every single day, that means that you will fail. And now you actually put some pressure on yourself because you know what it means to fail and know what it means to win. Because earn more money, it's like, okay, here's €1 extra, now you're done, right? No, you probably have like a really specific amount in your head that you want to achieve. But okay, anyways, I have to do my last set, so I'll see you guys back in the room. And the third one is never, ever give up. And I know this one sounds a little bit corny, but let me explain with my personal story. Let's go back to the moment where I set my New Year's resolution and actually followed through with it. Reality was that 2 years before that, I set the same New Year's resolution, stuck with it for like 3 months and quit. So what was the difference between this time and the time before? Is this time I told myself that no matter what happens, I will never, ever give up on this dream, because I knew that I wanted this so bad that no matter what it takes, I will figure it out. Because maybe your plan doesn't work. Maybe you should change your plan. Maybe if you want to lose weight, yeah, you have this day where you mess up your diet, but it doesn't mean you have to mess up your whole dream. Failure is okay, but quitting isn't. And the funny thing is that the only way to actually fail at your goal is by giving up. So simply by just not quitting and keep going back and figuring it out, sooner or later you will have it, and you will literally not be able to fail at your dream because you don't quit. You just keep going. As you can tell, like, I'm becoming really passionate about this because, again, this is something that I told myself, and it's still the thing that drives me the most. It's like, you will never quit. And I know that about myself, and it only gives me more confidence in myself. I feel less stressed because whenever I do something that scares me, I know that no matter what, I will just not quit. It's just this thing, like, I will not quit. So sooner or later I will get it. Because I feel like too many people quit once it goes wrong once. They want to go to the gym 5 times a week, they miss out once, or they mess up a week, and then they just quit. And I'm like, why? Like, you can literally still win. Like, it doesn't fall or break with this 1 week or 1 day. The name of the game is consistency. Just don't quit. Like, whatever happens, you just keep going. Okay, you missed a week, sure, you just go back the next Monday. And I think this goes full circle to the fact that a lot of people don't like New Year's resolutions. Your New Year's resolution should be, from this year, I will never give up. From this year, I will never need an actual New Year's resolution ever again. From this point on, I will always retry, recommit to my goals, recommit to my dreams until I get my dreams done in real life. Manifest your dreams, don't give up, focus on your habits, not your goals, and set measurable goals. And I will promise you that 2023 will be your year, and I would love to see it happen.